Good morning. Welcome to our channel again. So we are here at the pig pens. We raise here native pigs. So it's time for them. It's time for their breakfast meal. Here we have one male piglet and 3 female piglets. So we feed them a little bit of a commercial feed. Well, in the morning we feed them the commercial feed. In the afternoon, and in the afternoon we feed them with forages mixed with some commercial feeds. So why do we feed them with commercial feeds? Because we're gonna slaughter them sometime December or January. So this is actually a 2-month old native pig. Not really big because they have the native blood. So that's their mother there. She's also eating a banana trunk, chopped banana trunk with commercial feeds. We have actually 5 pigs in here, 4 piglets and 1 mother pig. This is native to the Philippines. So in the morning we clean the pen, we feed them. The afternoon again we clean the pen and we feed them. This is how it looks inside the farm. So later on, I'm gonna shoot a video showing early morning feeding our goats also. This is the other part of the yard. This is still within the farm. Yeah, let me give you a quick tour. So, as you could see, we have forages in here, but all cut. We use the cut and carry system. We only cut the forages here only when we are not able to get forage outside the farm. This one is a mango tree, no mango leaves, because we feed the mango leaves. Considering that the mango trees here do not bear fruit unless we apply insecticides or pesticides or those fruit inducing chemicals, because we do not use chemicals here in the farm. For it to have its purpose also, we cut them, we trim them, and we feed to the goats. Anyway, maybe a month or so they're gonna sprout again new leaves. So this is actually one of our forage areas here inside the farm. So newly cut napiers. Okay, we have here mulberries. We also have Madre de Agua. And then we have Centrosima, the climbing weeds. We also have the acid ipil-ipil. Okay. So our forest area is separated by a fence, so our goats could not get into it and eat all of them. We have the native bamboo gate. Okay, so that's it for now. Thank you so much. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Bye.